Hey there, awesome artists! Welcome back to Zoonitoons, your super fun place for drawing, coloring, and a whole lot of imagination. Today, we have something extra special for you. We're drawing all 3 of your favorite PJ Masks heroes, and they're sitting in their super cool cars. Automobile dashing away. Are you ready to dive into this superhero art adventure? Let's get started. First up, it's Catboy. Catface Blue Heart, look at him, sitting proud in his amazing cat car, ready to zoom into action. We'll start by drawing the sleek shape of his car, those cool curved lines, and of course, Catboy's mask peeking out from the driver's seat. Step by step, line by line, we'll make Catboy come to life. Once we're done with the outline, it's time for the fun part, coloring. We'll grab our brightest blues and boldest whites to make his suit and car shine just like in the show. Doesn't he look ready to race into the night to save the day? Next, it's Owlette. Owl red heart sitting high in her all glider. She's ready to take to the skies. We'll draw her big wings folded around her seat and the sharp owl-like shape of her speedy glider. With gentle curves and small details, we'll capture her confident pose as she sits, ready for action. And now color time. We'll use the brightest reds and a touch of pink to make her suit pop, and a deep, shiny red for her all glider. She's looking so graceful and powerful, don't you think? And finally, we can't forget our strong and speedy friend, Gekko. We'll start by sketching the round shape of his car with those chunky wheels that look like lizard legs. Sitting in his Gekko-Mobile, he's ready to drive, climb, and dash to help his friends. Once we've got Gekko's happy face and car outline ready, we'll color everything in with shades of green. Bright green for his suit, dark green for his car, and a little bit of yellow for the details. Wow, he looks unstoppable. And there we have it, Catboy, Owlette, and Gekko, all sitting in their amazing cars, ready for their next nighttime adventure. Crescent Moon sparkles. I hope you had just as much fun drawing and coloring as I did guiding you through. If you enjoyed this superhero art session, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Zoonitoons, and ring that little bell so you never miss another colorful adventure. Until next time, keep creating, keep smiling, and remember, with imagination, you can be a hero too. Bye-bye, artists.